What I love about woodworking is solving problems. That's what it's all about. And right there, that is a problem. I am a certified wood hoarder, and this is a little offcut I never got rid of. This is a marble threshold for a shower. Makes a pretty good sandy block. So this is a little chunk of red oak I got shaped now. I really have no idea what I'm going to do, but I'm getting a clean canvas to start with. Love this little Veritas square. I got a couple of them. So I'm just checking it out, seeing if there's any knots, and I found a little knot. So now I'm just going to give myself some borders. So at this stage, I'm not too worried about putting pencil lines on my nice piece of wood. I know I'm going to clean it up eventually. Using the router to give myself some consistent depths. And then on to the arbortech ball gouge. This thing's pretty fun. Now that I've shaped the bottom, I'm going to put some borders on the top. Main thing to remember with the ball gouge here is it's a bladed tool, so you got to go with the grain. So that's why you give yourself lots of margin for error so you can figure out which way the grain's going and try and get your cleanest cut. It's all about the angle of attack. That's why I keep moving it around, trying to get the best cut possible. Now over to the flap sander and make this thing look pretty. These little discs are 220, but they're fairly worn out, so it's pretty good buffing. Now onto the laser and add a little personality. So I'm using Chapman's beeswax salad bowl finish. Now a little buffing. And this thing looks pretty good. Love how this red oak end grain looks awesome. much better. I realize this is ridiculous. Who makes an itty-bitty cherry tomato fruit bowl for your windowsill?